Channel Urumuri TV 20. 6 Ways by Warren Buffett. My name is Sengumuremyi Emmanuel. 6 Ways Excellent Quotes by Warren Buffett. So as became rich. Number 1. On aiming. Never depend on single income. Make in investment to create a second source. Number 2. On saving. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Number 3. On spending. If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need. Number 4. On taking risk. Never test the depth of river with both the feet. Number 5. On investment. Do not put all eggs in one basket. Number 6. On expectations. Honest is very expensive gift. Do not expect it from cheap people. That is 6 Ways Warren Buffett. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Get more videos. And again, thank you. Watch this video. Part video endless. Channel Urumuri TV 20. Sometime I will upload video. Thank you.